I, for one, am loving the virtual workshops.
As a technophobe, I was thinking, am I going to be able to do this?
So I was a bit like, another video call. But actually, it's been my favourite change so far.
I don't have to leave my bed to actually go to my meeting, which is excellent.
I rock up every week in my PJs.
Make myself a hot cup of tea and know that I get 30 minutes of peace.
I'm at home with 2 children on my own at the moment, and it's so nice to have something that's just for me.
You can attend a virtual workshop, you can listen to all of the ideas.
It's nice to really come on and just see each other's faces.
Faces that I know, and even faces that I don't, that are in the same situation. It gives you the sense of community, that we're all in this together.
But I think my most favourite thing has to be that you can access it from wherever you want to.
This is my time and I'm loving it.